According to a Simplot memo, the company knew Monday they had a possible COVID-19 problem among their estimated 400 employees. But now, as of this Saturday, after the company bowed out of a mass testing event on Thursday, the community is left with a contingent of possible carriers. We simply don't know. Some employees stepped up and took part in Thursday's mass testing event on their own. Others tell iNews they were never informed of it. Here's a look back at the week that brought us to this point. iNews has learned we have another large employer in Grand Forks dealing with COVID-19. It's Simplot, the potato processing plant along Gateway Drive. It also includes Ag World, part of the same company that checks potatoes as they're hauled into the plant. We've obtained this memo dated Monday, April 20th, to the company's estimated 200-plus employees. It reads in part, quote, "I want to make you all aware that earlier today we were notified that 2 Ag World employees who had been on our plant site last week have tested positive for COVID-19. The next day, the Grand Forks Public Health Department announces a mass testing event will be held." This in from the Public Health Department, who says they continue to monitor the number of positive COVID cases in the community. As a result of this, Grand Forks Public Health, with the assistance from state and regional partners, will conduct another private COVID-19 testing event on Thursday. This private testing event is for J.R. Simplot employees and close contacts of positive cases of LM wind power who have been pre-identified by the North Dakota Department of Health. Then on Thursday, the day of the mass testing event, Simplot acknowledges it bowed out of it. City spokesperson John Bernstrom says they're ready to test as many as 1,000 people. However, surprisingly, J.R. Simplot, with several hundred employees, has bowed out of this testing. Now, it's interesting to note that earlier iNews obtained a memo from J.R. Simplot that said 2 Ag World employees had tested positive for coronavirus. Ag World is a separate independent contractor that works inside J.R. Simplot testing potatoes. Now, at this point, J.R. Simplot says they do not have any positive cases. And according to city spokesperson John Bernstrom, they declined to have their employees tested today.
Yeah, it wasn't so much that we declined to take part in it. We were in the middle of a planned shutdown at our plant for maintenance and cleaning, and most of our employees were already gone. It just wasn't feasible for us to try and pull everyone together or to get notification to everyone. We also felt that there was likely other people in the community who may have greater need for that testing. All Simplot employees have access to free testing through our health insurance plan, and we certainly understand the need for testing. We appreciate the effort of today's event, and we want to make sure that the people with the most immediate needs have access to some of that testing as well. So I think the timing of the event didn't really work quite well for us, but we fully support the testing and the effort that those folks are making.
Then, a day later, on this Friday night, Simplot says they have an employee with a confirmed case of coronavirus. But since all employees have not been tested, employees and the community have been left with uncertainty. The Simplot plant closed down for cleaning on Wednesday, April 22nd. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.